Good morning, 7th grade. Welcome to Art 7. My name is Mr. Gillock, and I'm going to be your teacher during this encore rotation. Right here, what you're watching is a daily overview video. I do one of these every day to make it easier for some to understand what to do in class and to make you feel like you actually are in class, like I'm actually talking to you, which in a way I am. But every day, the daily overview reviews your learning goal, your essential question, your vocabulary. Today, you'll notice over here that there is no EQ or vocab. Our goal today, though, is to understand the class rules, grading procedures, and course navigation in Schoology to make sure you understand exactly how this course is run, the type of assignments we do every day, and how to get the best grade possible, because my goal for you is for everyone to get A's and B's. So please make sure you watch this video carefully and you complete all the assignments today to make sure that you start the class off on the right foot and start the class off with some strong effort. So your task list for today is to watch the student handbook video. So when you're done watching this, you're going to scroll down to the student handbook video down here and click on that and watch the video of me going through the handbook. Once you're done that handbook video, you're going to respond to the student handbook agreement. You're just going to type the words "I agree" or "I have read" and all the rules and procedures and promise to do my best. Just something where you can practice submitting an assignment or response for points. So that's worth 2 points today. And again, that's meant to be an easy 2 points. Once you said that you've agreed to the handbook and you've watched the video, the only assignment you're going to do today is the assignment called My First Drawing. So without any teacher instruction, you're going to create a drawing of your favorite subject, whether it's a person, a cartoon, something from nature, an animal, a car, etc., whatever you can think of, whatever you want to draw. And then submit a photo of your drawing to the student progress discussion. So just take a screenshot using your iPad, or not a screenshot, but take a photo using your iPad, and then you're going to upload and attach that. And just to go over your materials here, you're just going to use a sheet of sketch paper. So if you're at home, just use a sheet of computer paper. If you haven't gotten your materials from me yet, just use a pencil and eraser. I'm only looking for a line drawing today. It doesn't need to be in color. So over here you have the video, and you also have the handbook PDF. So if you want to go through the handbook on your own without watching the video, that's for you to review. The student handbook agreement, just for example, you would click on that, and there should be a blue plus sign at the top of your screen where you can click and submit a response. And then My First Drawing, same thing, you will take a photo, you'll click the blue plus sign, and then you will have to actually type a response, like type a letter or your name or hi. You can even just send some kind of message if you want to explain what you did and why, but you have to type something for the photo to attach and send. So that's 3 points. It's supposed to be an easy 3 points, and that's all you have to do today. Just watch the handbook video, say that you agree to the class rules, and then complete your first drawing, and you should start off with an easy 5 points. Please message me if you have any questions about anything, and I look forward to seeing your first drawings and seeing what your interests are and where you are artistically as we begin this class. Okay, guys, nice meeting you, and I'll see you all soon.